Hi everyone. This patient came in with complaint of heartburn. He was checked from a cardiac perspective as well, and both the ECG and echocardiogram were normal. The cardiology team referred him to the GI clinic, and an endoscopy was recommended to rule out any acute gastrointestinal issues. Fortunately, everything was normal and no significant problems were found. We've started him on some GI medications, which he should use for a short period, and after finishing them, he'll return for a follow-up and routine checkup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.